1.5 to 2 years now, so I'm taking classes for that, most of the students. So I'll just open the Beekeeper. So what we'll do today is I'll just take you through what is CRM and why CRM for the company, and what is the uses, and what are the sub modules, and how the flow will be there. Okay. So I'll mix what with the flow. What are the things how we can actually relate to. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the aim and that is the agenda for today. So I'll take you through some PPT, and I'll tell you what are the things of CRM. Okay.
Sure.
In 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. So
Okay.
whenever you have a question, you can stop me. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So first of all, you know what is CRM, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Customer relationship management. Why CRM for a company? As you know, most of the business typical business concepts are covered in SD. Why CRM for a company? Why actually companies are interested to go into CRM? What is the why? Well, what is the importance? Because it does not cover delivery or most of the typical business process like rebates and other things. Why CRM for a company? Right.
Yeah.
CRM. So what CRM will do is, for a company, it will reach to the customer. It will make the company to reach to the customer. Due to the lot of competition in the world now in the market. Okay, a lot of competition throughout the market. If you take any market, there is a lot of competition, right? So
yeah.
Because of the competition, companies cannot wait the customer to come and buy something. They have to reach the customer and sell the goods. Okay. So nowadays, if you see if you buy something online, okay, you'll be keep on getting some mails or messages or some type of communication from that website to buy more, or for their offers, for the recent offers, for the ongoing products, new launches, everything, right?
Yes.
This type of customer relationship, okay, that CRM can give you. Okay, CRM can tell the company to which customers you have to target. Okay. So customer can be anybody to the company, right? Customer can be anybody. So CRM, based on the business partners, it will allow to reach the customers and target the customers according to their business. Okay. Yes. Like when I am saying targeting few customers, okay, targeting customers, how the system will know? We'll be creating some configurations for that, but how, on what basis it will target the particular customers? Let's say, for example, in your Facebook recent days, you'll see ads on the right side, right? There'll be ads coming. So based on what it is coming? Based on your likes and dislikes in the Facebook. Okay, if you like something or if you are ordering something online, they are connecting to you using the social media. Okay, and they based on your likes, you will get the ads popped up in Facebook. Okay, like that. That's one of the examples. So if a company, let's say a mobile company is launching, now recently iPhone 6 is launched, right? The price for it is around 60 to 65,000. So which customer they have to target?
The like customers.
Yeah, the ones who likes iPhones, and the other criteria they'll take is the salaries of the customers or the hobbies or whether they'll be affordable or not, right? If a person who is earning 5 to 10,000 cannot afford to buy a 60,000 phone, right?
Yes.
So they have to consider the salaries of the persons. Okay.
Yes.
So like this, we will be creating a few configuration things for that. Based on that, system will give you the data. These are the people you can target. Okay, these are the persons you can target. Okay.
Yes.
So first, the base customization will cover for all the sales, service, and marketing modules. Okay, which is common configuration for all the three. Okay. Then once we go into the marketing, all the CRM will start with marketing. Okay. Any company, if you take any company, will start with marketing, right? If they are launching a new product, they have to market it, right? Otherwise, they cannot sell it.
Yes.
They have to market that particular product, right? So how? Yeah, that's why everything will start with marketing. In marketing, they'll have the marketing plan. Okay, every fiscal year, every financial year, they will have a marketing plan to sell which kind of products and to decrease or increase the price of the product, and they'll do the surveys why they are unable to sell a particular product. They'll see the competitors' prices, all these things. They are all called as marketing analysis. Okay, analytics. Based on the analytics, they'll create a plan. Okay, if they are unable to, like, let's say for if you take a car like Maruti Swift. Okay, it's one of the best sellers for Maruti, right?
Yes.
But they have competitors of Maruti like Hyundai and other people bought so many cars which are competitors for Maruti, but they could not sell it, right?
Yes.
They could not sell like Maruti Swift, right? So based on what the other companies will do is they'll see why they are unable to sell. Is it because of the price, or is it because of the marketing, or is it because of the interest of the people, or they'll see so many things, right? Is it because of mileage or cost, or right? They'll consider a lot of factors, right? So based on those, for the physical year, they'll have the plans. So on, let's say Hyundai gets, we have to put so much of money into the marketing of this product, okay? And we have to decrease the prices and increase the more marketing of the product, and try to maximize the, let's say if the mileage is one of the factors, they'll try to increase that like this, right? So this all involves in a marketing plan, okay? Every company will have a marketing plan, okay? In that, they'll do all these things. What are the products they are launching, how much they have to spend, what are the resources they need to market the particular product, okay? All these things they'll consider, and they'll do the marketing analysis, okay? So marketing plan plays a very important role in marketing topic, okay? So then campaigning. So how actually it starts, how they reach the customer actually, okay? If you take an example, I'll tell you an example here. So they'll campaign, you know, campaigns are different, campaigns can be done in different ways, right? Through media, or by road shows, or by putting some stalls, or by reaching the customers with pamphlets, or supplying like through newspapers, or through boys, or going personally. These are all different type of campaigns, right?
Yes.
There can be different type of campaigns. So let's say for example, if you go to a shopping mall, you can see a lot of stalls around, right? Generally, like they'll put some stalls and they'll be explaining about their products, right?
Yes.
So if you go to a particular stall, what they'll do, they'll explain you about a product, and then they'll take the basic details of you, like your name, phone number.
Yes.
Sorry?
They demonstrate the product.
Yeah, they demonstrate, and then they'll take the basic details like name and phone number or something, right?
Yes.
Mail ID or something. So what is this? The basic details of the customer, okay, is created in a business partner, is created as a business partner in the system. Then the lead will be generated from that particular details.
Yes.
Okay, lead will be generated from that basic details of the customer. Okay, we call it as a lead. Okay, so in CRM we call it as a lead. Okay, lead.
Yes.
So what they'll do after taking your details, they'll be calling you or texting you, or they'll be sending you mails about the new offers and other things, right? The latest products or the discounts, all the things, right? So once you show the interest to buy a particular product, okay, once you show an interest to buy a particular product, let's say you've asked them to come to home and demonstrate again, or you say like I'll come to the store and see once again, or okay, like that. If you show some interest, that lead is converted into an opportunity.
Okay.
There the company is seeing an opportunity. Okay,
Yes.
opportunity to sell a product. So a lead is converted into opportunity. Okay, once the opportunity is converted, if you go to the store, or the person coming to your place and demonstrate again, and you bought it. Once you bought it, a sales order will be raised against your name.
Yes.
Okay, a sales order will be raised against your name. Okay,
Yes.
so once a sales order is raised, there is no delivery in CRM. Okay, deliveries are in the back end, at the back end in the ECC system. Okay,
Yes.
once the delivery and invoice is done, that invoice will be replicated to CRM system.
Yeah.
Okay, that invoice will be replicated to CRM system. Okay, then comes the service. Okay, we have discussed about marketing, what they are doing in the marketing. Like marketing will have marketing plans, campaigns, and a resource alignment to the particular concept or particular marketing. Okay, then the sales will start from lead, opportunity, and sales order. These are all covered in the sales part. Okay, so once the sale is done, okay, service will start. Let's say you bought a product like AC. Okay, so once if you buy an AC, right? If you buy buy an AC, for every 6 months you need servicing, right?
Yes.
What you will do when you want to do like when you want to get it serviced? What the first thing you will do? You'll call the customer care,
Like
right?
whatever the... Yes. Yes.
Whatever the customer care, you will call the customer care, right? So this customer care is also a part of CRM. Okay, this customer care is also a part of CRM. We can configure the customer care in the system
Yeah.
itself.
Okay.
Okay, so CTI is used here, computer telephone integration. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so so once you call the customer care, you can like they can answer, or they can put on hold, or they can reject. All these options are also there. Okay, it's like a typical call center. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
it's everything is recorded, and everything like they'll have the basic things like what we say, if you call an internet provider, what they'll do first, if you say I have an issue, I'm unable to connect to the internet, what they'll do, they'll tell you some basic steps, right? To switch on the router and switch on again after 10 seconds, or try something CMD, type in CMD and check your drivers, all the things they'll tell you, right? The basic things, basic what we say, steps you have to perform to get it connected. Okay, if it's still not connecting, what they'll do, they'll send a technical person, right?
Yes.
Right here they'll see the priority. Okay, let's say internet provider have packages for 1 year, 6 months, and 3 months, and 1 month. Okay. So if you are in a 1 year package and if you have a problem, they'll put you into high priority. Okay. They'll categorize the customers into priorities. Okay. Especially in the services. Okay. So they'll put you in the high priority. Then if you are in a 6 months package, then they'll put you into medium priority, and then low, then the standard. Okay, like that. So based on your reputation with the company, they'll put you into priorities. Okay. So once this technical person has to come to your place and check the connections. This is created as an activity in the system. This is created as an activity in the system. Okay. According to that activity, that technical person will call you. He'll get a inbox. He'll get a message in his inbox. Okay. SAP Workplace. Okay. In his SAP Workplace, he'll get a message saying you have to do a particular activity. You have to visit the customer and get it serviced or get it done. Okay. Get the work done. Okay. Then he'll call the customer and he'll fix an appointment, and he'll come to your place and get it done. Okay. Once he gets it done, he'll go into that activity again and say he has completed the activity. Okay. Then the concerned manager will get a mail in his workplace saying the activity is completed. Then the customer care will call the customer, confirm and close that ticket. Okay. All this process can be configured in the SAP system. Okay. Creation of activity and tracking the activity and getting a mail, everything we can configure in the system. Okay. So apart from this, we'll be covering returns and complaints as well. Okay. How the returns are treated in the system and how the complaints are treated in the system, and the segmentation building. Okay. To segregate the customers into different priorities. Okay.
What is this? Segmentation building.
Segmentation builder. What this will do is this will segregate the customers into different categories. Okay. Based on their hobbies, based on their things, we'll be creating the attribute. Based on the attributes, it will segregate the customers. Okay. To target the particular customers. Okay. When new product is launched, when a product has to be sold, all this. For those purposes, it will be the base. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the things we'll be covering. Okay. I'll just tell you once again. In the marketing, the base customization is common for all of them. In the base customization, we'll be covering like a business partner creation, roles, organization management, profiles like partner determination profile, status profile, action profile. Okay. And the things, then we will go to marketing. There we'll be creating marketing plans, campaigns. Okay. Segmentation builder, and email generation, how the emails are generated, output forms. Okay. Email output forms. And then in the sales, we'll be seeing lead management, opportunity management, and order management. Okay. Then the territory management. Okay. Then when in the service, forgot to tell you the installed base. Okay. There is a concept called installed base. Why this has come into the picture? So let's say you bought a TV. Okay.
Yes.
If it says 5 years is your warranty, it will come into the whole complete TV, right?
Yes.
Apart from that, companies want to give guarantees on a particular part of the product. Okay, particular part like picture tube. I will give you 2 years warranty, and graphic card 3 years warranty, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So with the help of install base, we can give the guarantees to a particular part of the product.
Okay.
Okay, particular part of a product. Okay, so we will be seeing that install base as well. Then we'll see territory management, complaints, and returns. Okay, these are the concepts we'll be covering in CRS. Okay, so yeah. Apart from this, do you have any questions still here?
Yeah, I have one question. Like,
Yeah.
ELM concept is there, external list of management. So
Sorry?
can you complete?
External
ELM?
list management. Yeah.
Yes, it's complete. Do you give me the training about this thing also?
Yes, external list management is covered in marketing.
Yeah. Then I'm very much interested about the IC integration center.
IC management, IC agent.
Yeah. Yeah, IC
Yeah.
agent.
Yes.
Then
Interaction center.
after IC agent, I'm interested in your campaign management, loyalty management, like
Yes.
these type of things. Very much as a part of the configuration also, and as a part of the working for everyone.
Yes, yeah. Working on the web, yeah. We'll be seeing the entire marketing on web UI only,
Yes.
and some of the process sales and service also in web UI only.
Yes. And
And
then another thing is like I have a very short period of time, so I need to learn all these things within a month. So
okay.
like, do you have a facility for this? Because if you are saying, we have some classes and I'm not able to give you the training today, so it's very hard for me because one day is very special for me. I need to learn within a month only.
Can you be a little loud? Hear you in between.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Like,
So
I'm
you,
audible? Now
you
I'm
have
audible?
yeah, it's clear now, yeah.
So I'm requesting you about these things, I need to complete this task within a month.
Okay.
Within a month or within a 1.5 month? It's okay for
It will
me.
take 35 classes, 35 hours.
35
So it will
hours.
be, yes.
It will be okay for me, and then I need some material also and the access of the system. So
Yeah,
how
access of the
we can
system,
have it?
they'll take care.
Okay.
I'll provide you the notes. I have notes prepared by myself, so that is like spoon feeding, so it's good for you. So then, if you want standard notes of SAP also, I can give you. So that
Okay.
is a little bit high standard. So I recommend you to go through the classes, then go for the configuration part, which is in my notes. Then you go to
Okay.
the high standard ones. If you go to the high
Yeah,
standard one directly, you'll be.
Yes, so I'm okay with that. And I need to complete it because one day is very special for me. I don't want to left any day. So I'm requesting, like, give me the
Yeah,
training
no
with
problem.
because
It will take 35 hours. So let's say one day, 1 hour per day, it will take 35 days. So if you want, we can extend a little bit, like 1 hour 15 minutes or so, and complete within 25 days.
yeah, it's okay. It's okay for me. As per my concern, the timing is suitable for me is after 8 p.m. So
Yeah.
because in the morning I need to go to office.
Okay, in the evening, you're saying.
Yes, in the evening or in the morning. If you are okay with morning timings, 7 to 10 or 7 to 9.
Yeah, 7 to 8 is good time.
Yeah, it's okay then.
Yeah, 7 to 8 is
Yeah.
a good time. We can go ahead like that. I have a few other sessions in the evening, so 2
Okay.
sessions. So it's better in the morning from 7 to 8.
So, and one thing more, after 35 hours, you are not giving me any support, like if I am having any problem and any issues, so can I contact you?
Like support in the project or
Support in the no, not in the project, because in the project I don't want to like disturb you. In the only in this training part.
yeah,
If
yeah,
I need
yeah.
to set
You
up
can
somewhere.
mail me anytime. You can mail me if you have any questions anytime. You can just mail me. I'll give you the replies. I'll be in touch.
Okay, then it's okay for me.
So that is the thing. That is the things we are going to cover. Okay. If you want anything, any particular topic, just mail me. I'll tell you like whether I'm able to cover those or not. You can just tell me. I'll send you the course. Naresh will send you the course content as well. Okay.
Okay.
You can
And
take
one
the
more
course
thing,
content and go through it.
sorry to disturb you. Like one more thing, do you have an idea of middleware, docs, and all that thing? Because I'm very much interested for the middleware.
Okay, I can just give you the basic concepts of middleware, how to like what a functional consultant need, like monitoring of
yes, yeah, monitoring the queues and all that thing. And there are some errors coming in the queues. Something is stuck up in the queues to like errors.
Yeah, that you can see in the monitoring of the queues, only inbound queues, outbound queues you can do manage with them. Okay, that's all the functional consultant need. But some people have like in the mind need to know IDOT station and all those. That is not needed. If you know the monitoring of the queues, that is enough. As a functional consultant, I can tell you the basics of that. No problem.
Okay, then it's okay for me.
Okay. If you have anything in the mind, just mail me the topics or mail Naresh the topics what you want. Then we can go ahead and okay.
Just share the content, whatever the content you have, apart of these things, whatever contents in your training material. So I'll go through with that, and whatever I have, I'll add it.
Yeah, the course content they'll send you now. You can go through it and then decide, then tell him, and we'll start from Monday or something. Okay.
You are starting from the Monday onwards?
Yes.
It's okay then.
Okay.
Evening, you are not able to give me the time in the evening. Like evening timings are good for me.
After 8, because I start from the office at 8, so I'll be reaching by 9:15. So it will be late, and I have 2 sessions from 9:30 to 11:30 now. One of them will be finishing in a week time. So if you want, like I can reschedule. Then after he once I complete his classes, then I can reschedule the evening.
Then okay, because you also have the lack of time, so it's morning timings are okay for me. 7 to 8.
So once it's complete, we can shift it. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
And what about the weekends? Do we have the classes in weekends also?
Yes, Saturday we'll have. Sunday there's no class.
Sure. Okay then.
Okay. So if something is mixed in the weekdays, like weekly, you expect 5 classes a week. Okay, 5 hours to 6 hours. Okay. Because sometimes you may be late in the office, or I may be late in the office, or out of 6 classes you expect 5 classes. Okay.
Okay.
So that will
35 hours. 35 hours. That means the course will be completed within 1.5 months.
1 month, 5 days. Yeah, including those. But you already have, you already know some of a little idea about SAP. Say I can go faster and complete within 25 hours. So generally, people are having idea on SAP and other modules. I completed for them within 22 hours to 25 hours. So because they understand better than people. Like generally, we tell 35 hours because for a layman who doesn't know what is SAP, I have to start from the scratch and I have to go very slow. So that for those people it will take 35 hours. But generally, you have an idea, so I can go a little faster and complete within 22 to 25 hours. So most probably we can cover within a month time. Okay, 30 to 35 days. That's it. So because if we have 5 classes a week, then it will take 6 weeks, 5 weeks. So that will be done 1 month to 35 days. That's it.
Yeah, actually it's my target. I need to complete within a 1.5 month. I have some urgent work, so just because of that reason I'm like requesting you to complete this.
Yeah.
Because like
No
I learn
problem.
very fast.
Yeah. So, yeah. So that's it from my side. I'll send you the course content. Then
Okay.
you can go through it. If you need anything, you can mail them. They'll inform me.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So once
Sure.
we start the classes, I'll share my mail ID also. We can go with that. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay then.
Thanks for the session.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for your time. Bye.
Okay. Bye.